Hello viewers, you are making the story, so you are facing the problem with the images that you import from Google. When you find out from Google and then import in Scratch, you have the white background. Just like I want to import for my story a hunter image, I just googled out and stored in my system. This is the image now. It has got white background. I need to remove it. You can do it in Scratch or you can also do it in Paint 3D. You have both the softwares with you. So let's start with Scratch. How can we delete this white background in Scratch itself? Just go to the costume of this sprite. Now you can see over here this fill bucket tool. Click on this and just go to fill. Make sure that this option is selected and then just click over here, and you can see that the white background has gone. Now some of the white areas are still there, so you just have to click on them. You can zoom in and then you can see this white background. Maybe it is not visible when I'm making the video, so it's there. I can select and delete it, or click on it, it will get selected. You can delete it or you can use the selection tool and delete. So you can see that this area is going to be deleted from here itself, or you can use the eraser tool to erase this particular area. So this is how you're going to erase these things. Let me delete this one. You can see that as I'm deleting, it is also deleted over there. So either you just select this particular area and delete all at once, right? Similarly from the bottom and top. Okay, and then you can use the eraser tool and can erase this particular area, right? So you have to be very careful. You can zoom in and then you can easily erase it. You can change the size of the eraser from here, or in decrease the size or increase the size depending on which area you have to delete. This way, right? Just be very careful. If you anyhow you deleted this, so you always have the undo option to do it. So this way you will do it in Scratch itself. That is much easier. Okay, the second way is to do it with Paint. So let's delete this and open Paint 3D. In Windows 10 we already have Paint 3D. So once it gets opened, what you will do, you'll click on open option and you will open your image over here. So I'll just open my image. It's on my desktop, so let's open that. Once it get opened, what you have to do, you will click on this magic select tool as much as possible. Just keep the area that you want and rest you have to crop. Okay, so I'm done with it. Now you'll have to click on next. Here I have to select the leg and the shoe. Now this part you can easily see over here, right? So I'm selecting this. Now it also all selected, but I want to remove this white area. So you just click on remove and then click this particular area. Okay, now you're done. You're satisfied with your selection. Click done once again, and now you can see the legs over here. Now again you just go to canvas, switch on this option and switch off the upper one. That's it. Now just need to save it as an page image. So you just go to menu and click on save as image. Now here we have the option of PNG. Choose that and just click on save. Give it a name and just click save. Now let's use it over there in Scratch. So if I upload onto one, you can see it's a PNG image now. right? So these are the two ways you can do it. I hope this tutorial will help you to import the images and make them transparent for your story. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, do comment, subscribe, like, share, and keep on scratching.